Yes.
Lord, an affidavit is filed on 5/3/2022 explaining, in fact, a transfer petition is filed before Honorable Apex Court on 5/1/2022, my Lord. Diary number 956 of 2022, that is also stated in the affidavit of the Assistant Commissioner. For a miscommunication. Yes, sought for unconditional apology in the affidavit.
What miscommunication?
That initially the Assistant Commissioner was the competent authority, my Lord. Subsequently, a special officer was appointed. Special officer appeared through VC before the court and made submission. The records from the Assistant Commissioner office were already transferred to the special officer, my Lord. Subsequently, there was a GO by the government to file a petition before the Honorable Apex Court, my Lord. There was a confusion in between with regard to whether to file a special leave petition or a transfer petition. Subsequently, a corrigendum was also issued, my Lord. After which, on 5/1/2022, a transfer petition is filed before the Apex Court.
Transfer petition against this matter?
Not this matter, my Lord. Criminal, it is a scam where Orissa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka are the places where criminal cases are filed, my Lord. To be tried in one court, my Lord, before one state.
How it affects the present case?
Well, in the present case, so far as the properties which are situated in Karnataka, the Telangana High Court has attached few properties, my Lord. That was the statement made on 6/7/2021 before the Honorable Court, and that is why the learned government advocate also made a submission before the court stating that they are moving the Honorable Apex Court. Now, a transfer petition is filed, it is pending, my Lord.
That has been done only in January 2022. But you had been telling the court
Please.
that matter is pending before the Apex Court much before that.
My Lord, from 6/7/2021 it is being told, my Lord. First date was on 6/7/2021. On that day, before the Honorable Court, a statement was made stating that there is already a GO.
So there was no case pending before Apex Court at that time.
As on that day, only it is filed on 5/1/22, my Lord. The in between, my Lord, the GO.
In between, the case was listed thrice.
Please.
And every time it was informed that no matter is pending before the Supreme Court, therefore it may be adjourned.
Lord, apologies on the part of.
Apologies will not do anything. We will hold him responsible for misleading the court and giving wrong information, and therefore he is guilty of committing contempt, and we will send him to jail.
One submission, my Lord. There was a government order on 7/8/2021. On that premise, there was a government, Lord, page 19, my Lord.
Page 19 of your
The affidavit, my Lord.
Proceedings of the Government of Karnataka.
Please, my Lord, on 7/8/2021, there is a GO to file a petition before the Supreme Court, my Lord. Subsequently, on 21/9, page 21, there was a corrigendum issued.
All this shows that how lightly you take the High Court.
Our apologies, my Lord.
You have.
But on the last date of hearing, at least we were supposed to verify.
He is only not responsible. You are also responsible.
Certainly, my Lord, certainly. Because on the last date of hearing, I was supposed to verify the records and make submission before the court. That it was filed at least on 5/1/22. There, our apologies, my Lord. This special case number 50 of 2018 was.
Assistant Commissioner, yes, what is the name of the officer?
Not seen.
Do you understand what you have done? For this, you can even lose your job. You take the High Court so lightly that you give any information what you thought necessary, without verifying it, without even finding out as to whether any case has been filed before the Apex Court or not. You told the additional advocate, government advocate, how much service you have put in? 14 years. This is the way you have been working now. Manjunath C. Assistant Commissioner Ram Nagara is present before the court. An affidavit dated 5th of March, 4th of March, कब का है? Affidavit has been sworn on when? 4th of March. 4th of March has been filed by him as per the said affidavit. Due to appointment of a special officer to by order dated 29th of April 2022 under Karnataka Protection of Interest of Depositors Act 2004. The files, necessary files, etc. were handed over to him, and he had been pursuing the matter. The state government, by order dated 7/8/2021, had authorized advocate on record for the state of Karnataka to prefer an application before Apex Court. And as such, he was under an impression that the case has been filed before the Apex Court, and as such bona fidely informed the learned additional government advocate regarding the pendency of the case before the Supreme Court. He had no intention to mislead the court, and he tenders unconditional apology for the mistake committed by him, and it is stated that he would be careful in future. Learned additional government advocate informs that a transfer petition has been filed by the state of Karnataka before the Apex Court on 5/1/2022, to which a diary number has been given. We have considered the submissions. In view of the explanation given by Mr. Manjunath, Assistant Commissioner, Ramnagar, we do not feel it necessary to proceed any further. However, it is observed that Mr. Manjunath, the Assistant Commissioner, shall be issued a warning, and he shall be more careful